This is part 1 of the series of making this prop. In this video, you will see how I modeled this television in Blender. I've used basic poly modeling technique. I am observing my reference every now and then and modeling it accordingly. I am not following the reference as it is. I am changing the model according to my need. You will see difference in my model and the reference. It's not exactly matched. I have changed it. I'm using mirror modifier to save my time. The modeling of this television is very basic and simple. It's just a little bit of intrusion and extrusion. It's time to make the interior of this television now. Now I'm making room for the screen. Subdividing the plane, and now I'm going to use proportional editing to it to make it curve. But before that, I have to hide all its surrounding faces because it will affect in proportional editing too if I don't hide them. So yeah, that's how screen is being made. Now let's come to the channel box, adding details to it according to the reference. As you can see, I am using a video reference here, but I am not matching it 100% to it. Now I have realized that this TV can use some extra height, so I am doing that, and now I have to make the screen again. Again, same thing, subdividing the plane and using proportional editing to it. Now I'm gonna push it a little back because the screen is now a little forward. Now again, let's come to the channel box. I have to apply boolean to it for those button holes. Now I have applied the boolean. Now again, on the right side of the channel box, I have to make 4 button holes. I am using array modifier now. And after applying the boolean to it, now let's come to the bottom part of this channel box. Now let's make the buttons and regulators. I've used basic shapes, not nothing fancy. It's a very basic model. It can be a first model for your portfolio. Same thing goes for these buttons as well. I'm using array modifier, and now I'm using basic simple cube to make door handles. And now I'll just give everything smooth shading and bevel modifier to make them look smooth. Now I am making this screen a separate object. And yes, here completes your model of your television. Now I'm adding my logo. You can add your name here.